Audi Q3. For anyone who wants the feel of an SUV without driving something that feels like a tank, the Audi Q3 hits the sweet spot. It's compact enough for city streets, but roomy enough for weekend getaways, with handling that feels just as smooth on winding roads as it does on the highway. Families will love the extra cargo space, and the interior, packed with sleek tech and Audi signature luxury, makes every drive feel first class. And here's the kicker. All of that style and comfort comes in at around $34,000, making it one of the most tempting entries in the Q series. Lincoln MKZ. This car is the perfect entry point into Lincoln ownership, starting at around $36,750 for the base model, with the hybrid version costing a bit more. Under the hood sits a 2-liter Turbo 4 engine delivering about 245 horsepower, giving it plenty of strength for everyday driving. Safety comes standard with features like lane keeping assist, making it a smart choice for peace of mind on the road. For those craving more luxury, the $2,000 convenience package adds thoughtful touches like ambient lighting, power folding mirrors, a voice-controlled touchscreen navigation system, and a steering wheel that adjusts at the push of a button. Volvo S60. This mid-size sedan mixes sharp styling with everyday comfort, starting at a little over $36,000. Under the hood, the base 2-liter engine kicks out 250 horsepower, and if you're willing to spend a bit more, think north of $40,000, you can even get it with all-wheel drive. Inside, Volvo keeps things classy with leatherette seats, a leather steering wheel, and its signature Sensus screen that controls almost everything. While options can quickly add up, like a $2,100 styling kit or a $1,850 premium sound system, the S60 shines in its ride quality. It's quiet, smooth, and packed with elegant details, from sleek aluminum accents to a beautifully designed gear selector. Lexus UX Hybrid. Lexus has always stood out for bringing luxury at a friendlier price, and the UX Hybrid keeps that tradition alive. Starting just over $37,500, it offers a quiet, refined ride in an interior that feels far more upscale than its cost suggests. The cabin comes standard with power-adjustable front seats wrapped in Lexus's soft, new luxe upholstery, along with advanced tech like adaptive cruise control and road sign assist. Its 196 horsepower powertrain isn't built for speed, but that's not really the point. The UX Hybrid focuses on comfort, calm, and effortless driving, making it a perfect entry into the luxury world without the hefty German price tag. Jaguar XF. Jaguar has built a reputation for never making a bad or cheap car, and the XF proves it. This luxury sedan delivers stunning design and craftsmanship at a price under $44,000, which feels almost unbelievable. The exterior is sleek and stylish, but it's the interior that really steals the show. With details so refined, they rival cars costing twice as much. While it may not pack the wild horsepower of some competitors, the XF makes up for it with comfort, elegance, and cutting-edge driver assistance features. For anyone who values quality, technology, and timeless British design, the Jaguar XF stands out as one of the smartest choices on the road. Mercedes-Benz CLA. The CLA is one of the easiest ways to step into the Mercedes-Benz world without breaking the bank. Sure, many people lean toward leasing it since it tends to lose value quickly, but there's something special about being that very first owner. It's the kind of feeling that comes with peeling the plastic off of a brand new phone, except this time it's a luxury car sitting in your driveway. Starting at around $36,650, the price climbs as you move up trims and add more features, making it a customizable entry ticket into the Mercedes experience. BMW 230i Coupe. The story of the BMW lineup kicks off with the entry-level star, the 230i Coupe. Priced at $35,300, it's the gateway into BMW's world of performance and luxury. For those craving a little more grip, all-wheel drive can be added for about $2,000 extra. Beneath the hood, a 248 horsepower, 2-liter Turbo 4 is ready to deliver plenty of punch. But here's where things get interesting. Options. Black and white are the only free colors. Everything else costs extra. Chrome trim, leather seats, wood accents. They all pile onto the bill. Still, even with the extras, the 230i remains one of the most beloved BMWs in the lineup. Genesis G70. The Genesis G70 is one of those hidden gems in the luxury car world. While it might not have the instant name recognition of Mercedes or BMW, that's exactly what makes it special. With a bold Bentley-inspired grille, plenty of chrome accents, and sharp styling, it easily holds its own against the big names without screaming for attention. Buyers get the choice between a punchy 2-liter inline-4 or a powerful 3.3-liter V6, both backed by Genesis's solid reputation for reliability. And here's the kicker. Its starting price is around $37,000, making it look like a six-figure ride for a fraction of the cost. Cadillac CT4. The Cadillac CT4 shows how far the brand has come in refining its sedans. It's stylish, sleek, and equipped with a strong 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out 307 horsepower, giving drivers both smooth cruising and plenty of muscle. Priced around $34,000, it offers impressive value, making it a real contender against European rivals. The cabin does suffer from some cheaper materials at this entry price, which feels a little out of place for a Cadillac badge. But as buyers move up the CT4 lineup, the interior quality and performance take a serious leap, turning it into the kind of luxury ride that truly lives up to Cadillac's big reputation. Infiniti Q60. The Infiniti Q60 brings some serious style to the luxury coupe game, and it's a surprising but worthy pick. Starting around $41,750, it actually comes in cheaper than the Q50 sedan, even though it's positioned as the upgrade. Every trim packs a 3-liter twin-turbo V6, with the base model pushing 300 horsepower and the Red Sport 400 cranking out a thrilling 400 horsepower. Power is sent through a 7-speed automatic with rear-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive available. Inside, the cabin is comfortable and well-equipped, though its dual-screen setup feels a bit dated. Still, between the sleek design, strong performance, and solid value, the Q60 easily earns its spot among entry-level luxury cars. Buick Encore. For around $23,200, drivers can hop into the lively little Buick Encore crossover, and with Buick's own cashback deals, the price can dip as low as $21,095. Beneath the hood sits a 138 horsepower, 1.4-liter turbo 4 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the front wheels, though those wanting extra grip can spring for all-wheel drive, starting at $27,095. The Encore doesn't skimp on features either. Keyless entry, push-button start, an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus 5 phone jacks for those long road trips. Options sweeten the deal further, like a $495 safety package with side zone alerts or a $900 sunroof for open sky cruising. Chevrolet Corvette. Most people wouldn't expect to see a Corvette on a list that leans toward luxury, but that's exactly what makes it so exciting. Chevrolet may not wear a luxury badge, but the Corvette delivers pure supercar thrills at a price that's hard to beat. Starting at just $58,900, the base 1LT packs a 6.2-liter V8 with 490 horsepower and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, numbers that usually belong to cars costing double. Step inside and it's no stripped-down racer either. Power seats, a Bose sound system, a 12-inch touchscreen, and Wi-Fi all come standard. And for those craving even more, options like a performance exhaust, magnetic ride control, and Brembo brakes push the experience to another level. Kia Stinger. The Kia Stinger proves you don't need a premium badge to get a true luxury experience. With sleek styling that rivals a BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe or an Audi A5 Sportback, it looks every bit the part while costing far less. Inside, the latest model steps up with upgraded materials, a 10.3-inch touchscreen, ambient lighting, and even a sunroof option. Power's no problem either. The standard 2-liter turbo makes an impressive 300 horsepower, while the optional 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 delivers a thrilling 368. Starting at just $36,590, the Stinger blends style, performance, and value so well that it can confidently go head-to-head with German rivals. Mercedes A-Class. When it comes to luxury, Mercedes has always been the benchmark. They're the brand people think of first when it comes to premium sedans and SUVs, and that legacy trickles down even to their entry-level models. The A-Class sedan is a perfect example. It delivers a sleek, sporty interior packed with modern tech that makes every drive feel special. The ride is smooth, the craftsmanship is top-notch, and instead of feeling like a budget option, it comes across as a downsized version of their higher-end cars. The best part? With a starting price just over $33,000, it's one of the most affordable ways to park a Mercedes in your driveway. Acura TLX. With its chiseled lines and bold design, the Acura TLX carries a confident presence without being over the top. Starting at $38,900, it's now the most affordable Acura after the ILX was dropped and the new Integra leaned too heavily on its Civic roots. What makes the TLX special is its analog charm, rotary knobs, classic gauges, and a driver-focused layout that feels refreshingly authentic. Rear seat space isn't the best, but the driving experience more than makes up for it. The base 2-liter turbo engine delivers 272 horsepower, while the Type S packs a thrilling 355 horsepower V6. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications to stay updated with all our latest content.